you today how to make a very big but basic plane, like paper airplane. Alright, first you need a bunch of paper. Like I have like maybe like 20 pieces here, I don't know. You're gonna need, I don't know, like these little tiny square sticks, I guess. I got these at like Michael's, like $2. You're gonna use some tape, some scissors, hot glue sticks, and of course a hot glue gun. Alright, first, you're gonna take one of your pieces of paper, and then just fold it in half. You're gonna do that twice, so that you have two. Alright? Next, I just made this basic design out of the sticks, but that could be used later. Alright, this is a biplane, so what you're gonna do is first you're gonna fold this paper in half. Alright, let me put this paper aside. Another piece of paper. Fold that one in half. And then fold it in half again. And the paper that you put aside, fold again. Alright, so now I have two identical pieces of paper. Next you're going to use your tape. I just grab the pieces like that. Just do like 3 or 4 on one side. Alright. Now if you unfold this one, and then see how that one's folded, you keep unfolding that one, just keep it like that, and see where the opening is, put that inside like that, so that like that is possible. But close that, and then close that one on it. Make sure it's all straight, and then take one of your pieces of tape, put it on one side, take another one, and then put it on the other piece. I like to fold like this because it evenly folds over, so you have pretty thick pieces of tape. It's not really bendable, so if you do crash, it does like that. Alright, after this video I'll show you some of my other planes that I have built and fly pretty well, but have gone through some havoc things. Alright, so basically you're gonna make another one of these. So you take another piece of paper, fold it in half, fold it in half again. This time you're only gonna do one. And then you want to go like this way over the tape. And then probably do like an inch. See how it's like right there? So just like an inch in. And then you probably want to split your piece of tape in half. Go on one side. And then go on the other. That's just like that. Trying to do as quick as I can. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm already at like 4 minutes, so I can make this quick. I might make a part 2 though. I probably will. Alright, see how that's open? You want one of those open. So, you take your tape. You don't want to close that end though. much you have your double-sided one, or that's probably gonna be your front, and then you have the thinner one, which is gonna be your tail. All right. Just to make it look cool or anything, you pretty much want it to go this way. If you want to make it cool, you could bend in this way, and then wait, no, yeah, fold in the top, and then just close it down so that has that shape. Then you're gonna need that piece of tape, so it looks like that. That's on the thicker side. So next, you probably want to put another piece of tape on the end, because it's probably where the impact's gonna be. Alright, next, you are going to make the tail. What you want to do on this one is you take a piece of paper and fold it, not the long ways, but the other way. So it's pretty much in half. You can run your fingernail along it or lick it. You could cut it with scissors. It doesn't matter. Just pretty much cut it in half. And you kind of want to be a perfect. Kind of want it to be perfect. Mine wasn't as perfect, but you pretty much want it to be a perfect straight line. Alright, next you're gonna fold that in half, longer ways. And then after that, just put on the side. At last, we're gonna do the wings last, but put that on the side. You're gonna take your other half piece of paper and then fold it the shorter way. And then fold it the shorter way, or see how I fold it this way, and then fold it that way again. So it's long. Alright, you want to tape it at the top, and probably just one piece in the middle, so that you leave, that you can open it at the bottom. Alright, that's going to be your rudder or tail, whatever. And when you notice the planes that I make, they all have the real shape of real planes, where it has like the aerodynamics. Alright, I'm probably going to have to do part 2. I'm already at 8 minutes. Alright. Going back to the tail. What you could do is open it back up, and you're going to take a couple of the sticks, or whatever, and then just line them up to see how much you have to use. Alright, that one's a little bit too long, so just alright, yeah, see how they're pretty much all fit in there? Now what you want to do is you take a piece of tape that is that long. I'll put it to the side, dump those out, line these up. Alright, and then just put it right over the middle. So it looks like that, with all the sticks. And then what you do with those sticks, you put it right in that crack. And then what you're going to do is, because those sticks are in the crack, you just fold it again. There's going to be some tape hanging out